Hello children, welcome to my channel. Hello cutie pies. Today we are going to learn jingle and actions of the alphabet. Let's get started. A. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms, they are causing me alarm. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. C. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun with a See me play upon my drum. E. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the eggs like this, F. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got the hole, the air came out. G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g. H. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky is a wet. Inky is wet. J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? K. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. L. Lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. M. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. N. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Oh. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh. It's time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. P. Puff are the candles on the pink cake. Puff are the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. R. See my puppy rip the rag. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. snake is in the grass. T. When I was the tennis game. When I was the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. U. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. V. Dry wicks went round the village. Dry wicks went round the village. Dry wicks went round the village. Ooh. W. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong. X. X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X, X. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yum. Z. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this, zzz, like this. So children, I hope you enjoyed learning the Jolly Phonics jingles and the letter sounds. If you like the video, please click the like button and see you again in the next video. Bye-bye and happy learning.